Ay, wala akong necklace. Okay lang yan. But yeah, that's what it looks like. But yeah, so yeah, we'll see how this, we'll see how this lip, so yeah, we'll see how this, Hi guys, this is Rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have another first impression review for you all. It will be on the LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss. I got mine from Prettyangelshoppe, and yes, it is 100% authentic, you guys. I will leave Prettyangelshoppe links below if you want to check it out. It is only 280 pesos. I got mine in the shade Timeless, and it looks like this. Marami din nag-request na i-review ko to. So, thank you so much, Shirlene, for sending this to me. Chinek ko yung LA Girl USA website para sa claims nitong bad boy na to. The long-wearing formula goes on as a high-pigmented liquid and dries to a flat matte finish, leaving lips colored in gorgeous velvety perfection that lasts and lasts. Okay, I did not feel the velvety perfection that it says on here. It is supposed to be long-wearing and matte. For the long-wearing part, hindi ko pa alam. We'll see if it transfers. Right now, it does not transfer at all, so that's good. Ganito yung packaging niya. Yung applicator niya, I actually really like the applicator. It is that kind of like flat applicator, parang pa-straight lang, hindi gaya ng iba na may pag-ganon-ganon, you know what I mean? Without further ado, I will go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this on the lips. Again, alam niyo na wala akong lip balm, pero I apply lip balm every night before ako matulog. Sobrang thin layer lang yung ilalagay ko muna. Ay, nakikiliti talaga yung aking lips. Nakakaloka, etch. Ay! I make sure na siniscrape ko yung mga excess product. Yung parang wala lang, para super thin layer lang. Mayroon talaga siyang kiliti factor sa lips. Nakakaloka itong applicator na ito. Yung lower lip ko, nag-set na siya ng bonggang-bongga. As in, 100% matte na yung lower lips ko. Yung upper lip ko, getting there. And katatapos ko lang talaga mag-apply. Medyo naluloka lang ako dun sa kiliti factor. Sa upper lip, hindi naman masyado ako nakikilite. Sure, meron talagang ganun. Si Ems, yung laging nagko-comment sa video ko, sabi niya may 4 na shades daw siya na to. And she suggested na wag munang i-touch yung upper at saka lower lip. Mag-wait na muna na mag-set siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano na experience niya doon, but that's what she suggested. So, that's what I'm gonna do. Pero I'm pretty sure nag-set na siya eh. Ang bilis mag-set nitong pigment gloss na to, you guys. I really like the color. May pagka-lavender undertone din yung ganap niya. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Na-touch ko yung lips ko. Hindi ko na malayan na touch ko yung upper at saka lower lip ko. Akala ko kasi nag-set na siya. So, hindi pa pala siya totally nag-set. Hindi ko alam kung kailan siya magsiset. Paano ko malalaman na nag-set na siya? Eh, kung titingnan mo, parang nag-set na siya kasi super matte na siya, pero hindi pa pala. Yung part na nag-touch yung lip, parang nag-ano siya, meron na siyang konting butas doon sa gitna. So, big advice. Mag-wait na muna kayo na mag-set siya. Kailan siya magsiset? Hindi ko pa alam. Oh yeah, nag-set na siya. Okay na siya, nag-set na siya. So, to be safe, wait 10 minutes before nyo i-touch yung upper at saka lower lip nyo. Siguro mga 5 minutes. Pero, just to be safe, wait 10 minutes para hindi mabutasan na yung lips. Para hindi mabutasan. So, yun. So, siguro kapag medyo thick layer yung nilagay nyo, siguro wait longer before siya mag-set. Kasi I'm pretty sure mas matagal siya mag-set kapag mas makapal na layer yung nilagay nyo sa lips nyo. Pero you don't need makapal na layer naman ito, guys. As you can see, super pigmented niya. Super on point ng color payoff niya. Hindi siya sticky, but tacky. So, parang slight lang na pagka-sticky, ganun. Yeah, so far, okay naman siya. Again, be patient. Wait for it to set before nyo i-touch yung upper at saka lower lip nyo para bonggang-bonggang flawless yung lips nyo. It is now 11:25 ng umaga. I'll get back to you guys later for an update. It is now 1:46 ng hapon. Katapos ko lang mag-lunch. Nung kumakain ako ng lunch, na-notice ko hindi siya nagtra-transfer sa food ko at all. Hindi din siya nag-transfer sa bottle ng tubig na ininuman ko. Merong as in konti lang, I'm not sure if you can see that, na parang wala nga lang. Dahil to sa medyo oily yung kinain ko. Yung lips ko, you guys, it's actually not that bad at all. Yes, nag-fade na yung inner corner niya, pero wala siyang harsh line. Though, feeling ko parang naninigas ng konti, as in super konti lang naman yung lips ko. Medyo drying siya ng konti sa feeling sa lips. Siguro kasi super nag-set na yung pigment gloss sa lips, pero hindi naman siya ganun kasama tingnan. I will spread my lips and see if ma-spread natin ng bongga tong pigment gloss na to. I don't recommend you guys spread it. Nagiging patchy na tuloy yung itsura ng pigment gloss. I-retouch ko na lang siya kasi naging patchy na siya. Sana hindi ko na lang siya ginalaw. And Shirlene, yung may-ari ng Prettyangelshoppe, suggested na kung mag-retouch ka, kailangan mo talagang tanggalin completely before ka mag-add ng new layer. Re-application is the same thing. This time, mag-wait na talaga ako ng 10 minutes before ko i-touch yung upper at saka lower lip ko. This time, wala ng kiliti factor. So, bongga yung kanina, hindi ko alam na may kiliti pala yung aking lips. Yeah, bonggang-bongga to kasi ang bilis niya mag-mattify. Kapag nag-mattify na siya, that doesn't really mean na nag-set na siya. So again, we need to wait 10 minutes before natin i-touch ang ating upper at saka lower lip just to make sure na fully set na siya. So yeah, we'll see how this gloss will last. I'll get back to you guys later for my final update. It is now 9:30 ng gabi. Katatapos ko lang mag-dinner. Before dinner, kumain ako ng snacks 2 beses. Tapos dinner. Tapos saging. My lips looks fine. Kasi hindi ako tumingin sa mirror at all. I was expecting as in mawawala na talaga siya. Nag-fade siya, yes. Pero walang harsh line. And I like that. So, para sa akin long-lasting siya. Sa dami ng kinain ko today, tapos ganito lang yung itsura niya. It's actually not bad at all. Yung mga downside niya is hindi ko siya nasa-spread. And also, yung kailangan kong mag-wait ng 10 minutes before ko i-touch yung upper at saka lower lip ko. Kasi, alam mo na, kapag nagsusuot ako ng lipstick, nakasanayan ko na talaga na ganunin after ko i-apply. With this one, you can't do that. Kasi magsistick together yung pigment gloss, tapos tsaka na siya. So, kailangan mo talaga hintayin na mag-set siya. Another downside is medyo drying siya sa lips, and hindi dry yung lips ko, and drying na siya sa lips ko, diba? How much more to those people na may dry lips? Yung mga nagustuhan ko sa kanya, para sa akin long-lasting siya. I really like the shade. I really like that it's kiss-proof, and it's a true matte lip gloss. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging resulta kapag nag-retouch tayo, but this time hindi ko siya tatanggalin. Ile-layer ko lang siya. Kasi sinuggest na sa akin yun ni Shirlene na dapat tanggalin talaga yung lip product. Pero we'll see kung ano mangyayari. I see. Hindi nagiging even yung application niya kapag retouch mo siya tapos hindi mo tinanggal yung first layer. So yeah, I suggest na tanggalin talaga yung first layer. That's one downside with this one as well. Kasi hindi siya madaling tanggalin. Yung ginamit ko kanina is wet wipes. Hindi siya natatanggal ng madali using the wet wipes. How much more kung hindi wet yung gagamitin mo, diba? Kung regular tissue lang. So that's one downside as well. But that's basically it for this review. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please do like if you did. Subscribe if you're not yet already. I'm doing my best to have videos up every single day for you guys. And yeah, I hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget, peek it. Bye!